In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your photo bigger in Photoshop without losing quality. So the first thing we need to do is click on Edit in the top navigation, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Preferences, and then select Technology Previews. Now from this window, you want to make sure Enable Preserve Details 2.0 Upscale is turned on and enabled, and once you've done that, you can press OK. Now to go and increase the size of this image, click on Image in the top navigation, click on Image Size, and in this drop down next to Resample, we're going to set this to Preserve Details 2.0. Now in the drop down next to the measurement, make sure you have pixels selected, and now what we can do is go and increase the size of our image. So I'm going to be increasing this from 1800 to 2500, and that should automatically adjust the height as well. Now what you want to do is play around with this noise slider until you have something that looks high quality. Now I like to set mine around about the 20% mark, and then you can go and press OK. Now just doing that alone should go and increase the size of your image while keeping the quality, but if you've lost quality in making this image bigger, then there's one more thing we can do. So just come down to the layers in the bottom right hand side, right click on your layer, click on duplicate layer, and then press OK. Now click on filter in the top navigation, click on other and select high pass. And now what you want to do is play around with this slider so you just about see the detail in the image. Now I like to keep mine around about 2.5 and then go and press OK. Now we can click on the drop down next to the blend mode and we're going to change this to overlay, and as you can see the quality has now massively increased. So if I go and show you what this looks like without the high pass filter, and then if I now turn it back on, you can see there's much more detail in the photo, and it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.